Hey guys, Tony here. Just a quick update. LossLess did break out again, one more time. I don't know how long this is gonna go up for. My first take profit, I think, is more than likely gonna. It's based off of market cap, right? So my valuation on this, I think, it being, like I said, a 30 million market cap is insanely low. It's exaggeratedly low, especially for a crypto with a tech that is already proven, right? So it's absolutely insane to me that this is still at like a $30 million valuation. I think that, this should definitely be a top 10 crypto, if not top 20. I mean, I think the valuation on this should be, at least $1 billion. And you're still at 30 million. It's absolutely insane, right? Like my, what is it called? So my position the last time we talked was around 20K. It's now getting a little bit closer to around 25K. I bought a lot, right? I bought a decent amount, a couple of grand's worth, like a while back. But it is running, like I said, the market cap right now is about what? I actually don't know off the top of my head what the market cap is. Market cap is, as of right now, it's 31 million. The fact that I still think that this can go to at least $1 billion market cap. I think minimum 300 million is not something that should even be a thought process. Like, it should already be a 300 million, and that's a 10x from here, right? So it's absolutely insane to me to think that people are still like double like thinking what this is. At least to me, right? I think this is extremely undervalued, especially for what it is. Like I said before, it's essentially like insurance on crypto, where if an exchange gets hacked, you can basically retrieve your funds if you lose anything, right? And I think, I think the potential of this, especially with that can be layered on top of every single crypto. So, you can basically have like a solid base if, you ever think that you're going to get hacked or an exchange that gets hacked, right? Their tech is just so over the top and simple, and it works. There's already, sources of it working. Like, I think a month ago, a couple of weeks ago, where it started blowing up. It actually started running in the beginning right here, right? That's where it blew up. But like I said, I think it's extremely undervalued. Even at $30 million, I think this can definitely go to at least $1 billion market cap. And keep in mind, this is just trading on KuCoin. This isn't trading on Binance. This isn't trading on Coinbase. It's not on Coinbase Pro. It's not on, other exchanges. It's just on KuCoin. And the fact that it's already getting this much volume and attention, just goes to show how big of a valuation this thing can actually get. So I think 300 million market cap is the very, 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 very low end of LossLess. I think it can at least do a 10x from here. I'm holding to at least maybe like a $50 price point, right? Which would value LSS closer to like $1 billion valuation. And I still think that's low. I still think you can possibly see, like a $10 billion valuation, if not higher. But I think a pretty reasonable where you would start to really trade sideways is when this hits like $1 billion valuation. But I think at $1 billion, it's like $50, and then at 100, what is it, at $10 billion valuation, it's $500, which is still not. Is my math right? $50 is $1 billion, and then $100 would actually be $2 billion, and then $1,000 would be 10 billion, right? So I can definitely see this hit $1 billion and then possibly run to like $5 or $10 billion, which would put this at a price point of about $1,000 per coin, which is not that far off if you think about it, right? That would still only be, a valuation of like $10 billion, which you have all these random ass coins in like the top 20 that provide absolutely nothing, and you have LossLess that is essentially the insurance of crypto, which is absolutely insane to me. I don't know how this project got so undervalued or got put into a place like this where, their tech actually works and it's so undervalued. But I think there's a lot of good things that are coming from LossLess, and we'll see where it goes from here. But yeah, it's running, it's doing a pretty good job. I'm just holding out, man. I'm just enjoying the show. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.